Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to review with you how to convert from a fraction to a decimal and from a fraction to a percent. This is not a new skill, it should just be a quick review. First thing we're going to do is convert from a fraction to a decimal, and we know our process for converting from a fraction to a decimal is to simply divide. When you're doing your wake up, when you're doing your wake up, you're going to want to have your calculator open because you are allowed to use your calculator for this entire wake up. I am going to show you how to convert 1/2 into a decimal without using your calculator, even though you don't have to show your work on this wake up. You can use your calculator for everything. This is just a quick review. So 1 divided by 2, our numerator goes in the box, denominator goes outside the box. 2 does not go into 1, so we add a decimal point and 3 zeros. Put my decimal point up. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract 0. My decimal is 5/10. In using a calculator, which is what I want you to do, you're simply going to take the numerator 1, divide it by the denominator 2, hit equals, and then you would write your answer down as 5/10 and good to go. Number 2, I actually did the work already. I put 5 inside the box. As you can see here, I put 6 outside the box. I divided. 6 can't go into 5, so I added my decimal point and 3 zeros. When all is said and done, I got 0.833. 0.833. We are going to, when we have a decimal that continues on, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth place. So we're going to underline the 3, draw an arrow to the boss, and then our final answer is approximately 83 hundredths. When doing this on your calculator, 5 numerator divided by 6 denominator, we get 0.83333. So again, you would just simply write this down, underline the hundredths place, draw an arrow to the boss, and we get 83 hundredths. That's all I would need to see when using your calculators. You do not need to show all of that work. Going from a fraction to a percent process is divide and then multiply by 100, which we know is 2 bunny hops right. So as you can see, I did 1/2 showing my work. If I were to use my calculator, I would go 1 divided by 2, and I would write down my 0.5. This is what you're going to be doing on your wake up. Then you're going to multiply by 100, and you're going to get 50, which we know as 2 bunny hops to the right. Make sure you fill in your place value holder, and as the calculator and as your bunny hops show you, you get 50%. 5, 6, same idea. I divided 5 divided by 6, and you're going to get this really, really long decimal that never ends. As you can see right here, I've rounded it already to 83 hundredths. If you multiply by 100, you're going to get 83.33333% and so on percent. We're going to always round to the nearest whole number. So we got 83.3%. If I were to bunny hop that, 1, 2, because I've already rounded it right there, we get 83%. So anytime you get a long decimal and we're converting to a percent, we can convert it to the nearest whole percent. Again, calculators should be used on your wake up this week. Good luck.